According to the state's Attorney General's office, since the new law went into effect in October, there have been 15 fatal police shootings, and until now, all investigated by the new independent unit without incident. The new law is being challenged for the first time. The case involves two Harford County Sheriff's deputies who fatally shot 53-year-old John Raymond Favre on Saturday. He was reportedly suicidal and armed with a long gun. In a complaint filed Monday, State AG Brian Frosch alleges Sheriff Jeff Gaylor blocked his office from collecting evidence needed to engage in an independent review of the incident required under state law.
The Attorney General just feels that he should have possession of that evidence in his hands, and I differ with him on that. And now we'll see what a court says.
The AG's office filed an emergency motion for a temporary restraining order to keep the sheriff's office from interfering with the investigation.
Unfortunately, Mr. Frosch wants people to obey him as if he's the governor and the attorney general and the legislature of Maryland.
The sheriff's office developed its own policy in accordance with the law. Sheriff Gaylor says his deputies fully cooperated by allowing the independent investigators access to the crime scene, letting them watch the police body cam footage and to accompany deputies when they collected evidence.
He issued, he called them protocols that were not founded in law. They were just his office's whimsical decisions. They did not carry the weight of law.
Sheriff Gaylor's history of opposition to the law includes several letters he wrote to the AG's office. In one, his attorney writes, Sheriff Gaylor will not follow the protocols issued by the AG's office.
Nothing has absolved me as the sheriff, the elected sheriff put in office by the citizens in this county to do a job for them. Nothing in statute has absolved me of my responsibility to conduct criminal investigation into crimes that occur in Harford County.
The state attorney general plans to argue the case himself. The hearing is set for 9:30 Thursday morning in Harford County Circuit Court. Reporting from downtown, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.